Today, the Supreme Court overturned a 41-year ruling affecting rules for union membership. In the case of Janus versus AFSCME, the Supreme Court decided that employees do not have to be members of a union if they choose not to. What does this mean? It means you now have a choice whether you want to belong to your union or not. I'm so proud of the fact that 98% of the classifications we represent are full members. For the remaining 2% who are non-members, you will now need to decide whether you believe there is a benefit to belonging to POPA. The biggest benefit of membership at POPA is representation. Most law enforcement unions provide representation when you are being administratively investigated or when you have a grievance against the department. The value of this representation is significant, not only in the cost of the representation, but also in the protection of your job or of unreasonable discipline. Today, the risk of being under investigation is high and discipline is extremely harsh, especially in the Sheriff's Department. POPA also offers legal defense if you are charged with a crime or sued civilly. These costs could easily be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. If you don't join the majority of your peers and become a full member of POPA, you may lose these protections as well as the other benefits of POPA membership. To those who simply do not like POPA for whatever reason and want to drop their membership, I encourage you to seek out administrative and legal defense protections elsewhere. Please do not put you and your family at risk just to save a few dollars. I believe POPA is a great union that offers more benefits than any other union. Here are just a few benefits we offer. We have the best in representation. Unlike other unions that use only one law firm, we use 7 different law firms to avoid conflicts of interest and to ensure that the attorney we provide is the best in the area of concern. Not all attorneys are alike, and not all are good in all areas of litigation or representation. We also provide legal defense coverage, as I mentioned earlier. Unlike other unions that have their boards decide whether they will provide legal defense if you are charged with a crime, POPA automatically provides that protection to all its members. We even include guaranteed legal representation if you are sued in the courts based on your job. We have our own uniform shop that offers discounts up to 35% off retail, and we have our own firearms license to assist members with purchasing firearms or ammunition at discounted pricing. We have our own credit union with 4 locations throughout LA County. We have our own full-service insurance agency for all your insurance needs. We offer estate planning, financial planning, and retirement planning, free notary services and group discounts on movie tickets and amusement parks. We have our own charity, the Star and Shield Foundation, that provides assistance to members in need. I'm extremely proud of our foundation for stepping up when we had members killed in the line of duty in the recent past. We are very politically active locally as well as in Sacramento with 2 lobbyists and nationally through the Fraternal Order of Police. POPA has a great deal of influence through its leadership role in law enforcement labor. I am the current president of the California Coalition of Law Enforcement Associations, which represents law enforcement unions throughout the state. We also have the lowest dues structure anywhere. Our dues are only 1%. I encourage you to ask other unions about their dues structure. I really could go on, but I will close with this important message. A union's primary function is to provide services to its membership. The biggest and most underrated service is the political power and influence of unions. That power comes from unity, strength in numbers. That is how we have fought off attacks on public employee pensions and other anti-union attacks. It is how we will fight off anti-law enforcement attacks as well, like some of the legislative bills in Sacramento. Without dues-paying members, our power and influence decreases. We must stay united. I urge you to stay a member of POPA so we can continue to be the leaders fighting on your behalf. As I said earlier, if you don't like POPA for whatever reason, please consider joining another union so we continue to have strength in numbers. POPA has always and will continue to work with other unions on behalf of the working class and on behalf of law enforcement personnel. If you want to learn more about POPA, please go to www.ppoa.com or download our mobile app, PPOA. You can contact me directly with any questions. My email address is listed on our website. Thank you.